Hello, and welcome back to the Author Blues stream. I hope you're doing well. We're going to do another session of Advent of Code, and then we're going to play some Magical Quest 3 starring Mickey Mouse and Donald. Mickey to Donald. Magical Adventure 3. So, if you weren't here last time, Advent of Code is a yearly Advent calendar of fun programming challenges. And as long as I continue enjoying it, I will do one per day. And as soon as I stop enjoying it, that'll be the end of the Advent of Code series. But for right now, still having fun. We may switch away from Python at some point. We may switch to C. I don't feel like doing that right now. I feel like doing Python, so. Day number 2, gift shop. You get inside and take the elevator to its only other stop, the gift shop. Thank you for visiting the North Pole, gleefully exclaims a nearby sign. You aren't sure who is even allowed to visit the North Pole, but you know you can access the lobby through here, and from there you can access the rest of the North Pole base. As you make your way through the surprisingly extensive selection, one of the clerks recognizes you and asks for your help. Sebmol, welcome. You have arrived at the perfect time. We are doing some high-octane programming puzzles. Welcome. As it turns out, one of the younger elves was playing on a gift shop computer and managed to add a whole bunch of invalid product IDs to their gift shop database. Surely it would be no trouble for you to identify the invalid product IDs for them, right? They've even checked most of the product ID ranges already. They only have a few product ID ranges, your puzzle input, that you'll need to check. For example, your input looks like this. The ID ranges are wrapped here for legibility. In your input, they appear on a single long line. The ranges are separated by commas. Each range gives its first ID and last ID separated by a dash. Since the young elf was just doing silly patterns, you can find the invalid IDs by looking for any ID which is made only of some sequence of digits repeated twice. So 55, 64, 64, 123, 123 would all be invalid IDs. None of the numbers have leading zeros. That's not an ID at all. Is a valid ID that you would ignore. Your job is to find all the invalid IDs that appear in the given ranges. Okay. So my puzzle input is this. So some of these ranges are going to be quite large, so I don't think that I can just loop through them. I mean, I could, but that would be dreadfully slow. So I basically just need to figure out what is the next invalid ID after the starting value, and then increment them, I think. I think that's my ideal way to solve this. So we'll start by getting our inputs. So input. Okay. So I've got my input, now let's parse the ranges. Range in data dot trim dot split on the hyphen, and A and B is split on the... Oh, it's split on the comma here. A equals int A, and... Yeah, I don't really care. I could parse this more neatly, but I don't care. Okay, so I've got my range. First thing I want to do is I want to figure out what is the first... So I need like a method next invalid given a number. Next invalid given a number. So an easy way to solve this problem, but very slow, would be to just loop from A to B and have a little check that says, is it invalid? That would work, but I'm pretty sure this data is not going to parse very well for that. Some of these ranges look rather large. I just don't trust that would be efficient enough. I guess it wouldn't be that bad. I mean, if it's not going to be that bad, let's just try writing that solution first. So this should give me beat one of your CS professors on 1 day of admin of code. I can see that. Add up all the invalid IDs. Oh, yeah, it's not trim in this language, it's strip, sorry. Yeah, that's fast enough. Alright, part 2. The clerk quickly discovers there are still invalid IDs in the ranges in your list. Maybe the young elf was doing other silly patterns as well. Now an ID is invalid if it's made of only of some sequence of digits repeated at least twice. I mean, there's a regex solution to this. Yeah, sure, why not? I hate myself enough. Yeah, please. Been long enough since I've used the Python RE module that I need to just remember what the name of the method is. Isn't it just match? There's like a full match now? Damn. What will they come up with next? Is that it? Okay. No way, that's right. Absolutely no shot. Oh, that's just matching everything. Oh, what is full match return? Still wrong. Oh, no, you're fine. It's fine. Am I doing this backwards? I feel like I always have to catch myself every time I'm writing regular expressions. Not a great sign for someone who's trying to use regular expressions right now. Nope. Caret's the start, $sign is the end. So that part's right. What else am I doing wrong here? It's some digits, one or more, repeated 2 or more times. I write a lot of regular expressions, so I don't doubt my regex is correct. I think I'm just utilizing it wrong somehow. 2 or more copies. Isn't that how you write that in regular expressions? Oh, is it not doing... Is it not doing look back? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's not doing look back. Yeah, I'm sorry. That does not work the way I thought it did. Okay. I think I need to give it named groups. So it's like, this is, is this Perl syntax, or? That looked like it did what I wanted it to do. Okay. Yeah. I thought of the other approaches to solve this problem just fine, but I felt like I'd have more fun doing something weird. Can you do that? You can just do backslash to reference a previous group? Wait, really? I'm actually not familiar with that syntax. I'm about to learn something new. Hold tight while I learn something new. Matches the contents of a group of the same number. Oh wow, I did not know that. Yeah. Look at me learning shit. That's sick, thank you. I was not familiar with that syntax. I mean, that's true, Derek. Well, that's a pretty quick solution. There's that fairly famous quote that some people, when met with a problem, think I'll use regex. They now have 2 problems. Alright, well I'm gonna bounce the stream, not bounce the Twitch stream, bounce the YouTube stream, and we'll play some Magical Quest. So, if you're watching on YouTube, I'll be back.